channel Vedanti Tutorial. I am your Gunapriya. In before section we have discussed the first Roman of the matrix exercise, that is 3C, right? This is the exercise 3C. Okay. That is in before section we have discussed the first Roman. Now we are going to discuss the second Roman of the first problem. They have given one matrix and they asked to show that A transpose, that means A into A transpose equals to A transpose into A equals to I. So I is nothing but unit matrix or identity matrix. Okay. Now first we will do the A transpose. So first to find out A transpose, what's the A transpose here? Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay. Now do this A transpose. What is the A value? That means A matrix cos alpha, sin alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. A transpose is this one. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Now row and column. Cos alpha into cos alpha plus sin alpha. That means I will write directly here. That is cos square alpha. Okay, don't confuse it. Cos alpha into cos alpha means cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Now cos alpha into minus sin alpha. So cos alpha minus sin alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha. Here also minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha. Minus into minus will become as plus. Sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha. Don't confuse here. Your minus into minus will become plus. We are doing here multiplication. Plus cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. We know that cos square alpha plus sin square value is 1. So don't forget it. This is very important formula. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. See here cos alpha sin alpha, here minus will be there. So minus cos alpha sin alpha means it will get cancelled. Okay. 0. Here also minus sin alpha cos alpha. Either AB or BA is same only. Sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha will get cancelled. Sin square alpha or cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1, or sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is also 1. So which is I. Next we will go for the A bar A. Okay. Now I will just change the values here. Okay. Here A bar A. What's the A bar? Cos alpha minus sin alpha. Sin alpha, cos alpha. Here A cos alpha, sin alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Now multiply cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Next cos alpha sin alpha plus into minus minus sin alpha cos alpha. Sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. Here see here sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. This two will get cancel here. 1 0 0 1. So we have proved, that means a bar a dash equals to a dash into a equals to I. Here this the order is 2 by 2, that is 2. Okay, next we will go for the another problem. Now our another problem, that is they have given two matrices and they asked to find out 3a minus 4b dash. Okay, first we have to find out 3a. You have to multiply, this is the scalar multiplication. Scalar is nothing but a constant, a value here, that is here scalar is 3. So now okay, that is the 3a value. Now 4b dash. So before going to find out the 4b transpose, first we have to find out the b transpose. B transpose, what do they have given? So b here 0 0 1. So here 0 0 1, minus 1 minus 2 2, 0 5 0. Right? Now we have to multiply with the 4 with the b dash. These are very important. Okay, these are the values 3 15 9. Okay, now we have to do here is the 2, right? This is the 2. I think substitute, this is the 3a, 3 15 9 6 8 0, 9 minus 3 minus 15, then here, so we get 8 0 4 minus 4 minus 8 8 0 20 0. So this is the values. Okay, here minus is there. So 3 minus 8. Don't do hurry burry, write with step by step only. Here many students will do mistake, so write step by step. Minus into minus plus, easy only, but we have to write with patience. Okay, not patient, patience. Minus 5, 15, 5, 10, here, okay, here 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, minus 8, 9, minus 23, minus 15. So this is the answer for the question. Okay, next we'll go for the another problem. See here, don't confuse here. See here, 3 4s are 12. This is 12. Okay, multiply here. Many students will don't use this symbol. 3 minus, have to multiply this minus for every number. Okay, next we go for another problem. Okay, this is our next problem. So here they have given two matrix A, B, right? Okay. Now first we have to find out A, B dash. Before going to find out the A, B dash, first we have to find out B dash. 2, 4, minus 1, 2, 0. Now we have to do A, B. Okay, now we have to do here A, B transpose. First 7 minus 2 minus 1 2 5 3. We have to check whether this matrix will exist or not. So to check what we have to do, see here this is the 3 by 2. Here this is the 2 by 3. 2 is same. So this matrix can be exist. Now multiply. This is the row. 14 plus 2. 28 plus 4. Right? Sorry, here minus. Minus 7 plus 0. Next, minus 1 into minus 2, 2, minus 2. Minus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 0. Minus 5 plus 0. Minus 14 plus 2 is minus 12. 28 minus 4 is 24. Minus 7, 0, 0, 1, minus 13, 26, minus 5. So this is the answer for the AB transpose. Next we go for the BA transpose. Now first for this we have to do A transpose. To find out the BA transpose, we have to do A transpose. 7 minus 1, 5, minus 2, 2, 3. This is 5. Now BA transpose equals to minus 2 minus 1, 4, 2 minus 1, 0. Have to multiply 7 minus 1, 5 minus 2. Okay, before going to the matrix multiplication, either it is exist or not means we have to cross check here. Okay, 2 to same. Next, minus 2 into 7, 14, minus 1 into plus 2. Are you? Now, this is 14, 7 2s are 14 plus 2. Minus 2, that means minus 2 into minus 1, 2. Minus 1, that means minus 2. 10, minus 3. 28, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 3 2s are 6. So, minus 1 into 7, minus 7 plus 0. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1 plus 0. Minus 5 plus 0. Minus 14 plus 2 is minus 12. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 10 minus 3, minus 13. 28 minus 4, 24. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. 20 plus 6, 26. Minus 7, 1. Minus 5. So, that's it. This is the BA transpose. Before we have discussed the AB transpose matrix. Okay. Next we will go for the another problem. Okay. This is our next question. For any square matrix A, show that for every matrix we have to show that AA transpose is symmetric. Already we know the symmetric matrix means A transpose equals to A. That is the formula for the symmetric, right? A transpose is the formula for this. Now, what's they given? Show that AA transpose. Okay, let's think this is A transpose. Now, both sides transpose. Okay, I am doing here both sides transpose. Okay, what we know this AA transpose whole transpose. That means AB whole transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. Here B is A transpose into A transpose. A transpose whole transpose is A into A transpose. That by doing transpose only, that means whatever. Let's think this is the A they given. Okay, that means I have taken here C, you can take A. Okay, let's think the given matrix as A transpose. Here to get A transpose, here A transpose whole transpose, and we know that AB whole transpose is B transpose A transpose. That's it. We have got that same, that means whatever A into A transpose. Okay, here this is A transpose, or you can write here this is. Okay, this is the A, this is the A. Okay, that means A transpose equals to A. We have proved it. Very simple. Next we go from one important example problem. This is the very important example problem. They have asked it many times. So we will discuss. So what they have given? They have given one A matrix and we have to find out A transpose. So do compute means nothing but we have to do here A transpose and is equal A transpose. Either it is A transpose is equals to A transpose A or not. We have to show by proving this problem. Okay. First we'll go for A transpose. To find out A transpose, first we have to find out A transpose. That is -1, 0, 2, 1. Now we'll go for A transpose. A transpose is -1, 0, 2, 1. While multiplying, that is 1 plus 2, 0 plus 2. Okay, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 1. That equals to, sorry, here that is 4, 5, 2, 2, 1. A transpose A. -1, 0, 2, 1. That is minus here. That means A is nothing but -1, 2, 0, 1. That equals to, we get 1 plus 0, -2 plus 1, -2 plus 0, 4 plus 1. That equals to, we get 1 minus 2, 5. So these two are same? No. So A transpose is not equals to A transpose. That means not compute. We have to say here not compute. That's it. Very simple. So you have to write step by step. Don't miss any step and see minus symbol and plus symbol and carefully write while writing the multiplications. Okay. Okay. Now in this section we have completed the exercise 3C. Next section we'll go for the main topic of determinants of this chapter. Okay. If you have any doubts, just comment me in the comment box and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet. Thank you.